Let's, however, look at the commodities universe and figure out what the action there is like. Manisha is back with us. She's in the studios now. Manisha, what do you have your eye on?
Well, I'm looking at metals as a sector, but more towards precious metals and then some towards base metals. I'll start with gold prices, where we are trading around $1,950 per ounce right now. Remember, for this year, we've seen an all-time high of $2,050 as well. So we've seen quite a bit of a decline coming in from those kind of levels. And then apart from that, it is also the fact that you're trading at a three-month lows there. China cutting its prime lending rates for 1 year to 5 years by 10 basis points. It's something that seems to be weighing onto the markets here as well. And then apart from that, this one done, the next thing to watch is going to be the US Fed Chair Powell testimony before Congress. That's happening tomorrow. And on Thursday, you have Bank of England monetary policy meeting, where the expectation is that you could be looking at 25 basis point of a rate hike coming in. But more important to watch is the CFTC data, because that tells you on what the fund and money managers really seem to be doing. So the speculative longs are at a 3-month lows when it comes to gold prices, is the reason it seems to be meandering around these levels. So when you look at the overall contracts, we've seen longs go down by 10,000 contracts, but even then it's a big number at 110,000 contracts, which are still on the long side. So when you look at shorts, that has continued to increase by 8,000 contracts here. So shorts in any case is less in number, and that is the reason you have gold prices trading around these 1950 mark. Silver on the other side really seems to be trading on a stronger side. So $24 per ounce is where it really has been holding. 10 to 20 cents down or up is where it has been holding its range for last month or so. Here, the speculative longs have increased by 30% in last 1 week. We've seen longs gain up by 1,400 contracts, and the shorts as well have come down. And this also is a strong number of around 1,200, 1,500 contracts in front of you. Copper prices, trade a look at that, because we're trading at a near 1-month highs when it comes to copper as well. Here, the longs have risen by 5,000 contracts. This is as per the CFTC data. And here, the shorts also have seen a bit of a decline. So the copper prices, after hitting almost a 7-month lows, are trading at a 1-month highs right now. The China, what they've done in sense of interest rate really seems to be supportive, with markets anticipating that you could be looking at further liquidity injections. And that clearly has been yet another supportive factor.
Okay, thanks a lot for that, Manisha. So that is the commodity space. But